Meaning of geophysics.
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 Geophysics. Geophysics is a branch of earth science that deals with the physical properties and processes of the earth. It involves the study of the Earth's structure, composition, and behavior through the use of various physical methods, such as gravity, magnetism, and seismic waves. Geophysicists use this knowledge to better understand natural phenomena, such as earthquakes, volcanic activity, and plate tectonics. In addition, geophysics has practical applications in fields such as resource exploration, engineering, and environmental monitoring. Overall, geophysics plays a vital role in advancing our understanding of the Earth and its dynamic systems.